A very good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter 6 of civics. And children, the name of the chapter is Understanding Media. So, in this chapter, children, we will talk about media. Now, children, you might be watching your favorite TV programs. You might be listening, music on the radio. You might be reading newspaper, magazines, and children, above all, we are always surfing on net. We are using the internet, and they are really useful to us. Fine. Now, children, one word which is collectively used for radio, television, newspaper, internet, and several other forms of communication. Now, what is that word, children? That word is media. So, in this chapter, children, we are going to study about the media. Fine. Now, you will just check out how it works and what are the ways in which media affects our daily lives. You might have seen in your daily life that how whatever you watch on the media, it really affects your daily life. Now, children, we are just going to start the chapter. Children, see, everything from a stall at a local fair to a program that you see on the TV, everything comes under media. Now, this media word has come from the word medium. So, the plural of medium is the media. Fine. It just tells us and it just explains us the various ways, the different ways through which we can communicate in the society. Now, children, media refers to all means of communication, you all know. So everything, including a phone call to a TV news, will be coming under media, children. Now, these TV, radios, newspapers, and if you talk about this YouTube, internet, this is something which is reaching to millions of people or millions of masses across the world, I can say, at the same time. So this type of media, children, is known as mass media. Why it is known as mass media? Because at a time it is reaching to millions of people, that is masses across the world. So that's why it is known as mass media. Now, children, the next topic, media and technology. Now, children, see, you cannot imagine your life without a media. Now, children, the cable television and the excessive use of internet, it is just a recent phenomena. You can say it is just a recent phenomena, as just 20 years ago it started. Fine. Now, the technology which the mass media is using, it keeps on changing time to time. Fine. Now, newspaper, television, radio, they all are reaching to millions of people. So, children, they are using certain technologies for that. Different type of technologies are different, used by different means of different media. Now, children, when we talk about newspapers and magazines, we call them as print media. And why it is known as print media? Because it is in the printed form. And when we are talking about radio, TV, mobile, they all come under electronic media. Now, why they are called like that? Because they are using the different technologies they are using. According to them, their names are related to the technology which they are using. Fine. Now, the photographs which you see, you just see that the mass media, it is it is changing over the years and continues to change. You can't say that it will not change in the coming future. It is changing considerably with the passage of time. Fine. Now changing technology, machine, and making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. Fine. Because of these technologies only, this media is reaching so many people at a time. So it is improving, and moreover, children, it is improving the quality of sound, images that you see. I gave you the example that if you see the movies of your parents' marriage, the quality of picture and sound would be different. And if you will see the latest movies, the quality and sound would be different. So the quality is also changing with the change in technology. Fine. Now children, it is also changing the way we think in our life. For example, children, very difficult for us to think of our lives without television. This NCRT is the old edition. So now if we say we cannot imagine the life without mobile phones, say internet, fine. So they has enabled us to think of ourselves as a member of a large global family. So now it's not that we are sitting in Ambala, so we are, only concerned about Ambala and we are not knowing anything outside Ambala. No, we are a member of a larger global family with the help of this mobile phone, with the help of this internet. At a time, we are, familiar of what is happening around the world. Fine. Now the images, that why how could they travel these huge distances? With the help of satellites and cables. Fine. Now this is because how we can watch news, entertainment channels from the other parts of the world, children. Fine. Now see, most of the cartoons, this is I am repeating again, this is old edition. So the previously whatever cartoons you were watching, they were mostly from Japan and United States. But now, children, you might have seen the Motu Patlu cartoon and all that. They are made in India. So we can't say that India is, back anywhere. It is competing with all other nations. We can now be sitting in Chennai. Same thing which I discussed, that we are sitting here and we can see the images of what is happening in Florida in United States. So this television, this mass media, this internet, this mobile phones, they have brought the world very closer to us. Fine, we can't say that we are sitting here and we don't know about what is happening around the world. Children, now the next topic, media and money. See, media and money, they are interrelated. Fine. The different technologies which these mass medias are using, children, they are very expensive. Fine. So you just see the outcome. Fine. So for all this what you see on your television, they had to make a lot of efforts. Fine. Just see the TV studio which you see where the news reader sits. So children, it is not only the news reader which is sitting there. It has lights, it has cameras, sound recorders, transmission satellites, and all these things, children, they cost a lot of money. In a news studio, children, only not only the news reader has to be paid, but all other people which are helping in putting the broadcast together, they all had to paid. Fine. And all those who are looking after the cameras, those who are looking after the lights, and see, technologies of the mass media, they keep on changing. I repeated. Fine. So a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. So because of these costs, this mass media, they need a great deal of money for doing its work. So from where this money comes, children? So most television channels and newspapers are a part of big business houses. So they have become a big business houses for just money's sake. Fine. So mass media is constantly thinking of ways to make money. So what is the idea behind that? Earning money, obviously, it's their business. So how they will get money? With the help of advertising. They advertise different things like cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile phones. You might have noticed that a lot of advertisement come when you are watching your favorite television show. When you are watching a cricket match, the same advertisement is shown repeatedly over and again. Fine. So, why is it so? So that they can earn money, and moreover, you can be, we will read in the coming chapter about advertisement that it is going to, you know, urge you for getting anything. Fine. So, see, as you read in the following chapter, you will read it in the next chapter. Advertisement, see what happens when we see some ad repeatedly, we just go and get that thing which is being advertised. So, children, uh, today's topic ends here. We will start with the next topic in the next module. Thank you and have a nice day.